Hello students, now we are going to see 9th standard maths first chapter. We will do some example sums based on this formula De Morgan's laws for set difference. First one is A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Second one is A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. Now A is equal to minus 5, minus 2, 1, 3 and B is equal to minus 3, minus 2, 0, 3, 5 and C is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 4, 5. First formula is A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. First consider LHS. What is LHS? A minus B union C. So what is A? A is equal to minus 5, minus 2, 1, 3 and B union C is equal to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3, 4, 5. So, A difference B union C is equal to, you have to take the common element for these two elements and except these common two elements. What is the common element for these two? Minus 2 is there and 3 is there. So, except minus 2 and 3, we have to take the other elements in A, minus 5 and 1. You have to take minus 5 and 1 is A difference B union C. Next RHS. What is RHS? RHS is equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. So first consider A minus B. So that is equal to A minus B means A difference B. So, A difference B means you have to take the common element for this A and B. What is common element? Minus 2 is there, 3 is there. So, except the two elements, you have to take the remaining elements in A. So, A difference B is minus 5 and 1. What is B? A difference C. So, A difference C is equal to A and C. You have to take A and C. Minus 2 is there, only minus 2 is there. So minus 2 is the common element. For the other elements in A, you have to take for A difference C. So that is minus 5 and 1 and 3 is A difference C. Now you have to take the intersection value for these two. So A minus B intersection A difference C is equal to, you have to take the common element for these two, minus 5 and 1. So minus 5 and 1. So LHS, this is LHS. What is the value for LHS? This is 1. And RHS, this is RHS and this is 2. So therefore 1 is equal to 2. So therefore A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Hence proved. Now the second formula is A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. First you have to take LHS. LHS is equal to A difference B intersection C. So what is A? A is minus 5, minus 2, 1, 3. And what is B intersection C is equal to, you have to take the common element for B and C. Minus 2 is there, 0 and 5. So A difference B intersection C is equal to, take the common element minus 2 only there. So the remaining elements in A, minus 5, 1, 3. Minus 5, 1, 3. And what is RHS? This is equation number 1. Let us take RHS. RHS is equal to A minus B union A minus C. That is, first you have to find out A difference B is equal to, A difference B means common element is minus 2 and 3. So the remaining element minus 5 and 1. Minus 5 and 1. And what is A difference C is equal to? A difference C now, that means A and C you have to take the common element minus 2 only there. So minus 5, 1, 3. Minus 5, 1, 3. So you have to take the union for these two. So A difference B union A difference C is equal to, you have to write both elements in the A minus B and A minus C. So minus 5, 1, 3. This is 2. Therefore 1 is equal to 2. Hence proved. Next, let us see one more sum in application on cardinality of sets. A is equal to 1, 3, 5, B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 6, C is equal to 1, 5, 6, 7. Verify n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Now we have to find out number of elements in A, number of elements in B and number of elements in C. First we have to consider n of A is equal to how many elements in A? That is 3. So n of A is equal to 3. And n of B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 elements are there. And n of C is equal to 4 elements are there. Now what is n of A union B union C? That means you have to find out A union B union C. You have to write all the elements in the A, B, C. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So A union B union C, the n of A union B union C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements are there. And now find out n of A intersection B. What is A intersection B? A intersection B means what is the common element for these two, A and B means 3 and 5. So 3 and 5. So n of A intersection B is equal to 2. And what is n of A intersection, A B intersection C? Now we have to find out B intersection C. So that is equal to B intersection C means you have to take B and C. The common element is 5 and 6. 5 and 6. So n of B intersection C is equal to 2. Now find out A intersection C. So that is equal to A intersection C is equal to 1 and 5. So 1 and 5. So n of A intersection C is equal to 2. Now we have to find out n of A intersection B intersection C. So what is A intersection B intersection C is equal to, take the 3 set and find out the common element for this. 3, 5, 3 is there but not 3 in C. So you have to take 5, 5, 5. So only one element. So 5 is the A intersection B intersection C. So n of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 1. So we found out n of A equal to 3, n of B equal to 4, n of C is equal to 4, n of A intersection B is equal to 2, n of B intersection C is equal to 2, n of A intersection C is equal to 2, and n of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 1. Now verify this formula, cardinality of set n of A union B union C is equal to n of a plus n of b plus n of c minus n of a intersection b minus n of b intersection c minus n of a intersection c plus n of a intersection b intersection c. Already we found out n of a union b union c is equal to 6. So what is LHS? LHS is equal to n of a union b union c is equal to 6. So what is RHS? RHS is equal to, first you have to take n of a. What is n of a? 3 plus n of b 4 and n of c 4 minus n of a intersection b 2 and minus 2 b intersection c and a intersection c also 2 plus 1. So that is equal to 3 plus 4 7 11 and 12 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. So that is equal to 6. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. So my dear students, we will see the second chapter in the next class. Thank you dears. Thank you for listening.